What's going on, guys? We're back in the garage. Last video that I put up pretty much finished up this rocker. It is coated and ready for the last panel, and that's what I plan on doing today. At least a part of it. It's the weekend, or it's Friday. It's the weekend tomorrow, so I plan on just powering through it, making that last panel, getting it back on the car, and then moving on to the next repair area, which I'm debating on what I should do. And that's either do the same repair on the other side or just do this piece right here, right there. So I don't know. I'm gonna make that decision after I get done with the rocker panel. Got the paper, the template paper right here, and this is what we're replacing. I don't know if you guys seen this, but I mean, Jesus. It was on the other side. It was bubbling, but the paint was still there. It was good, but once I got the wire wheel on it, this is what it was looking like underneath, and you can see that the metal was just compromised, and this is what the other side looks like. So I cut this out in chunks, and now I just have to recreate it, cut it out, do a bunch of back and forths between here and the car and here and the car, make sure that it all fits up, and then once my template is good, I'm gonna obviously put it on the metal sheet, cut it out, weld it up. Now that I have the relative shape cut out on the template, I'm gonna go put it on the car and see how it fits up. Now you're probably wondering, why do I have a bunch of extra material here that isn't here? And then over here, I have this like L shape that, I mean, not an L shape, but obviously more template than what this piece is. And that reason is because I ended up trimming a little bit on over here and then over here, and I believe a little bit over here on the car. So I just want to give myself more than enough material on this template so that when I go fit it up on the car, I'm gonna mark it off and then cut it accordingly. And the same thing on this backside. I know I cut probably a thin strip, no wider than this marker, but I just want to give myself enough template material so that I can cut off accordingly. Got the shape made. It took me a while, but I'm just gonna show you that it fits. Okay. Something like this. Not perfect, but you know, it looks good, I think. So, and the side skirt is gonna come and cover this up anyways, and then you'll have bodywork on top of it. So you know, it's I like it. Anyways, now I marked. So now I marked holes where I'm gonna have to drill the plug welds, and that's what I'm gonna do now. Got the plug weld holes drilled out. I'm sorry if it's noisy. I have the fan going. It is unbelievably hot here in Georgia. So now I'm just prepping this metal piece. Gonna hit it with some primer, and should be good to go. After that, I'm gonna wait, a day, let it dry out, and then weld it up probably tomorrow. Got the last rocker panel prepped, ready to be welded in tomorrow. Just gonna let it sit here. I'm kind of done for the day. This panel was more difficult than I thought it was gonna be, just in the nature of it being so long. And then you have to make sure that this fits, and then this is curved correctly, and this fits, and it's just it's a pain. But tomorrow we're gonna weld it in and do a final sanding, hopefully. And that will kind of end this part of the car. Now, luckily for me, I have to do pretty much the exact same thing on the other side. I guess I'll show you guys. So, you can see that hole right there. All right, it is Friday, and yesterday I was not capable of doing any work on the car. We had this PT event at work. It took like the entire day. It was outside. It was like 98 to 100 degrees, super humid here in Georgia. I came home from work. It ended about 6 p.m. So I got home at 7, and I was just like, nah, I need to take a break. But the day prior to that, I was able to weld this panel in, and today I'm going to be grinding it down and just blending it in, and then that's it for that side. Hopefully it goes according to plan, and I'm able to start on the other side, the same area. So with that, I'm gonna sit you guys down and let's get to grinding. All right, so the rocker is complete, the lift point is complete. Beyond the time lapse that you guys just saw, I didn't record anything else. I mean, I really just coated it with some spray paint for now, or spray primer for now, and that's it. That side, that area is done. Now I am working on some other areas, but for now, that is it. Remember to comment if you have any questions, like the video, and subscribe. Thanks.